Today's featured SUV of the day is a 1965 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40. And I'll read from, I'd read from the seller's description, but he didn't have one. The only thing it says on it is that it's TMU, mileage, true mileage unknown, but it's sold for $19,000 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, back in 2019. And it had a pretty good look to it. It looked like it had a newer paint job on it. I don't remember exactly if it was restored or not, but looks like it probably just had a paint job and it was probably an unrestored vehicle with just new paint and some other things done to it. But anyway, that's today's featured SUV of the day, a 1965 Toyota Land Cruiser that sold for $19,000 at my local classic car and truck auction in Palm Springs, California, back in 2019. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.